right,
See, there's Cam.
so Trish and I are playing Winner Winner Chicken Dinner with the Crazy Chickens. We just got a hand pay on it for $2,200. Now we got the blue and the red bonus. Hit it, Trish. Christmas Eve at Grand Casino Hinckley. Up, times 2. Got the mini.
Oh, we got the mini?
We got a mini.
Oh, okay. I got it.
There's another mini.
Okay.
And times 2 on that side. Excuse me.
What, did she get it?
No.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, major and a grand. The 750 double to 15. All right, let's get something good. Oh, times 3. That was a good one, Trish. 60, 120, and 45. And we are now 3 away from the major, 1 away from the mini.
Lovey puppy?
Lovey puppy.
Well, I don't like
Oh,
puppy.
there's the minor. Oh, we got a times 2. 15 and 50. 3 spins left. Oh, there's the grand. Oh, the chickens are starting to move a little quicker since we're filling in spots. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Good. 2 away from the minor. I mean the major. 3 away from the grand, but we're not going to get excited about that. Mini. Oh, another times 2. Oh, we won the mini.
Yeah. We won the mini.
And we got a double here.
Ready?
Ready.
Hey.
Lit up another mini.
Isn't that cute?
That's very cute.
That's the cutest thing ever.
Lit up another mini. Oh, a times 2.
Am I
30 and 100.
just... Get out of here.
The chickens are dancing like crazy. Oh, a times 2. That was
Is that fun?
good. 60 and 200. Chickens are dancing. They're having fun. Oh, got another mini. It's a beautiful thing.
That's a beautiful thing.
That's a beautiful thing. All right, let's get some multipliers, Trish.
Alrighty, here
Oh,
we
was
go.
that it? Oh, that was it.
Oh, that was it. Oh. Yay! Nice job.
822.
Where's my friend?
Winner. Winner, winner.
I bet if we got all 3 of these,
Chicken dinner.
it would be.
We've still got to get that green one. We got the hand pay on the blue one.
He's a little crazy.
He's a little crazy. We
He's
haven't
got
gotten
eyes
him yet.
going every which way.
All right, from me and Trish, Offer Hell Slots, Merry Christmas. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Oh.
From Grand Casino Hinckley.